Hey beautiful people, it's your boy L to the EX, and I'm here to share with you tips on how I make my Nigerian stew. The Nigerian stew is actually a tomato sauce based soup that is popular in parties and most homes. I mean, almost every home I know makes stew once in a week or two. And for this stew, we'll be needing the following. We need some fresh tomatoes. We need some scotch bonnet, tatashe, that's a red bell pepper. We need some onions. Here I have my tomato, pepper, tatashe, and onions blended and pre-cooked. We need some chicken. We'll be using some curry powder for flavor, some tomato paste or puree. We're using some vegetable oil as well, and some onions, some salt to taste, thyme, and any seasoning cube of your choice. To begin this recipe, I'll place my seasoned meat in the pot with onions, thyme, curry, and allow to cook for about 10 minutes or thereabouts. Next, into a preheated oil in a fry pan, I would gently lower in my chicken and fry. I'll fry them for about 5 minutes, then flip over side to get all the other part fried. I just like my chicken golden brown, so I'll leave it a little longer to fry till it's kind of crisp. You have that crisp, crunchy feel and texture on the surface. Then I sift from the oil and set aside. In an empty pot, I'll pour in generously some amount of vegetable oil that we're going to use for the full preparation. I usually like to add some salt for flavor at the beginning and some onions. I'll stir lightly and wait until it begins to caramelize. Then I'll introduce my tomato puree or paste. I'll continue to stir lightly and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I add some curry, some thyme, just a little thyme, not so much, just a little, because I don't want it to be heavy in the stew. I'm a very big fan of garlic and ginger, and right now I'm adding some ginger powder for that extra flavor. It's optional though. If you don't like ginger garlic, you can skip it. After frying all for about 5 minutes, I'll add my pre-cooked tomato, pepper, tatashe, and onion mix. into the stew and stir together. By pre-cooking my pepper, I won't need to wait for long hours to allow the pepper cook very well. I'll add my seasoning cube. Right about now, I would bring in the stock from my chicken and pour it gently into the pepper mix because I don't want my pepper to be too thick. I'll cover and leave to cook for about 15 minutes. I'll gently lower in my chicken into the stew. Stir a bit, just to allow the chicken soak up the stew. After this, I'll allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes, then check the consistency and the taste and the texture to make sure my stew is on point. And it's looking on point. It's really looking on point. Really looking on point. I'm liking what I'm seeing. There you go. Our Nigerian stew is ready to be served with rice, yam, as a side dish to your swallow and vegetable. Thank you so much. I hope you find this helpful and I hope you make this stew. It's so delicious. Feel free to drop your comments below. Tell me your best way of making this stew. I'm interested in learning more techniques and tips on how to make it better. Share your skills and share your techniques below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, NaijaFoodTube, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, see you later. Bye.